Today I'm going to make the banana zucchini bread. I made this before and a lot of people love it, so I wanted to share it with you. It requires 4 large eggs and it requires 2 cups of sugar. I use organic sugars from Costco and 1 cup of vegetable oil, and it requires ripe medium-sized banana, and it also requires 3 cups of flour. I already pre-measured them here, and it requires 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. It also requires zucchinis, 2 medium-sized zucchinis, and 1 cup of walnut. Okay, so 4 eggs and 2 cups of sugar, the organic sugar that I'm using, and then 1 cup of vegetable oil. And I'm gonna mix them together. And I'm adding the banana. I had a ripe banana before, and I actually freeze them, and then I'm using 1 banana that's frozen, and I just thaw it, and I'm using 1 banana that's ripe, never frozen. But you can just use a regular banana. But sometimes when the banana will kind of ripes and you don't want to throw it away, then you can freeze it, and then when you can use it for this recipe, so you don't have to waste banana. Okay, and then I'm kind of combining all together. Okay, so I'm having my helper to shred the zucchini while I'm preparing other cooking processes. Alright, so this is the way I usually shred the zucchinis. The way I crush the walnut, so I don't make a mess. It's a cup of walnut. So on the 3 cups of flour, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of the ground cinnamon, and 1.5 teaspoon of the baking powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And the flour mixture is ready. So I'm going to add the flour mixture. And mix it. Add the zucchini. A lot of zucchinis make it really moist. Okay, and then I'm going to mix it together. Lastly, 1 cup of crushed The mixture is done, so I'm gonna spray oil to the container so it doesn't stuck on it. I put the mixture in the oven 350 Fahrenheit and set 25 minutes to cook. And after 25 minutes, I check to see, I rotate them so it cooks evenly. And then, I put it in another 25 minutes, total 50 minutes to, cook them. And after 25 minutes, I try to check if it's cooked evenly and it wasn't cooked thoroughly. So I had to cook another 10 minutes and check it, and another 10 minutes to check it. So I had to spend another 30 minutes additional to 50 minutes to cook them all. So it took almost 80 minutes. Okay, so the final product looks like this. Bon appetit!